Hey guys, this is my first video, and today we're gonna play Roblox, and we're gonna do Funky Friday. So, I hope you guys enjoy, and please like the video, and maybe consider subscribing. You don't have to, but, this might take a long time. I have really bad internet connection, if you can see, but I'm going to stop the video and come back to you guys when it's ready. Okay, we are loading it up. So let's just start up the video with an intro. Well, we already did one. So let's just get right into it. So we got this, guys. First video. I think we're gonna do great on it. Alright. I'll put volume and graphic quality won't be that high, but I'll do my best. Okay, so, yeah, it's a little weird right now. And I'm going to turn off chat. Okay, yeah, this is really bad. Okay, so we are going to do a Gotti normal in Funky Friday. If you guys know what this is, might not, but that's fine. So it's actually a Roblox game, kind of based off Friday Night Funkin', but you can do mods and everything. I think it might be a little bad right now. It's really good. Yeah. See, I just got disconnected from the thing. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna we'll play this game. I was gonna do a webcam, but decided not to. I don't really want to. One of my friends said we should do Hex and then Hello World. I've never done this. Oh, never mind, I didn't get to do it. Anyway, I'm gonna leave game, guys. Sorry for the long wait. I'd recommend just skip, or something. Watch another video, maybe come back later or something. You can still watch, but yeah, this is my video today, so I will. See, I'm sorry, I'm trying to make it start. I'm sorry, this video will only be a couple more minutes long. It won't be that long. Because next video, I'll make it about something else. But, yeah, this is what we're gonna play right now. And you guys just mentioned what I should do to make my stuff way better quality and everything. Okay, now it's starting to get better, so, sorry for the wait. I will, in the introduction, with the intro, I will say, skip to this part since technical difficulties. But you can still watch if you want. It'd be really nice. Oh, wait, okay. Yeah, it's here. I think it might be on my graphics. Might be a little too high or low. I don't know what's wrong. Oh. Sorry about that. So I guess we're gonna have to play like this. Oh, it's almost done, the chunks and stuff. Yeah, that's actually really nice that I can actually make my first video and people are watching. Really, really nice to me. Now some people actually watch me. If you guys do. Probably don't. Okay guys, let's see if this is gonna work. Yeah, so I hope it works. And I was actually watching the tutorial how to do this. Didn't finish it, but I guess that'll be the end of my video since it's not really working. Maybe I'll get to work in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.